Hello everyone, my name is Laura Daniela Murillo Mosquera and I am going to talk about several aspects of my life or last experience. About my personal development, I have already found a mindfulness technique. My psychologist has recommended me to watch mindfulness videos and do at least 10 minutes of meditation every night. This has calmed me down a lot and I have been able to sleep peaceful. For the last 6 months, I have been reading and I have loved it. About my health and fitness, I have been skating since I was 10 years old, but I have stopped practicing it a little bit because of college. I have given up bad habits like drinking a lot of alcohol to be practicing skating. Talking about my relationships, since I entered the university, I have made very good friends and that has made me happy. And before I got involved with my classmates, I have helped them a lot when they were sick. At work, I have created a new makeup business that has helped me a lot to buy my things and help my family. And I have been a leader with my whole family as I have guided them on what to do make the venture success. I have constantly had fun and adventure. Almost every weekend I have gone to the farm in San Martin Meta with my family and there is no internet there. And I have also gone to festivals in San Martin, Las Cuadrillas de San Martin, every year in November for as long as I can remember. Thank you.